Hello everyone, we're back again here with Forms2Docs, and today we're going to be talking about rules. What is a rule? And specifically, what is a rule as it relates to Forms2Docs? There are actually two areas of rules within Forms2Docs, rules within the form and rules within the document. Rules within the form control what a user sees, the questions that the user is asked, the user experience or path through which they go through the form. And rules within the document actually controls what content, everything from what words or wording shows up in a particular location to the inclusion of wording or exclusion of wording, depending upon what has been filled out within the form. So let's show you a couple simple examples of this. We'll start by creating a new document. We'll call this Simple Form and Doc Rules. We'll use our referral agreement as the example. And in this case, I have two options. I can choose either a company or a person. When I choose company, I get a single field that I can actually fill out with the entire company name. Should I choose person, then two fields are availed, one for the first name, one for the last name. Again, very simple rule, but that gives you an idea. We're going to use company in this case. And we'll use Big Company Incorporated. We'll say that it's the 13th of June, that this company will only refer business related to Forms2Docs. We'll say that Sally Jones is the signatory for Big Company, and Ron Mao will be for Paperwork Pros. We'll build the document, and in doing so, we can then review, in this case, the PDF that is created. You'll notice that Big Company Inc. is automatically included. The date is included as well. If we scroll down a bit, just based upon this document, the signatories are on the second page, all filled out appropriately, as well as there are two line items related to Forms2Docs and a paragraph that explains what Forms2Docs is. So let's make a quick change here. We'll go ahead and edit this. And let's say that Sally comes back to us and says that she would actually like to refer business for no-code developers as well. So we'll go ahead and tick that box, build or rebuild the document, and look at the change. So now when we look at the document, you'll notice that while the first and second page have remained the same because that information is really unchanged, page 3 or attachment A, we've added a line item to include the description of the no-code developer referral fee, as well as added a description of the no-code developers platform marketplace. So that's a very simple example of how rules within Forms2Docs are both within the form as well as the document.